Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Tolaccea 54L up to 72L Expandable gym bag for man, woman and so on. It's a large travel bag, backpack with shoe compartment. It's a fitness training bag for a gym, for travel, for swimming, for sauna, and of course for football. And any kind of sport you like to have. Expandable design is a really cool feature. The size of this gym bag is 60 to 30 centimeters with 54L capacity. We can simply open the zippers on both sides to expand it to 80 centimeters. And the capacity can be expanded to 72L. Different capacities meet the need of man and woman and so on for various activities such as traveling, sports, gym, yagao, and swimming, and a unique hidden sports backpack function. There are 3 different wearing modes. We can carry the gym bag as a sports backpack, a travel bag, or a shoulder bag. The padded adjustable shoulder strap can be completely hidden, thus giving it a sleek appearance and making it easy to switch between styling seamlessly. And spacious and multi-compartments. The Tolaccea expandable travel bag is crafted to cater to our storage requirements comprehensively, featuring multiple compartments such as a wet compartment, a shoe compartment, a yogi straps, a 15.6 inches laptop compartment, and an inner zipper pocket. This gym bag ensures as with our items stay neatly organized and conveniently accessibility. And we have a shoe and a wet compartment. This sports bag is designed with the particle pockets on each side, featuring a separate shoe compartment and a wet compartment. The shoe compartment is designed with brassable holes to promote air circulation and maintain the shoe freshness. Meanwhile, the wet compartment is made with high-quality waterproof lining to effectively shield other sports gears from getting wet. And we have here high-quality materials. It's crafted from Oxford fabric. The large sport duffel bag is waterproof, tear-resistant, durable, and odor-free. The reinforced bottom ensures the bag maintains its shape and does not collapse. Equipped with a high-quality metal zippers, we can expect smooth and trouble-free usage in our daily activities. It is a carry-on backpack design. The Tolaccea Sports duffel bag with hidden backpack strap. This wear the fitness bag as a backpack, a duffel bag, or a shoulder bag. And the expandable design is really cool. It's hidden. In standard, it's 23.6 inches, and you can expand it to up to 80 centimeters or 31.5 inches. And it's so easy and tool-free. We just open the zipper on both sides of this gym bag, and we can expand the length of the bag from only 60 centimeter to up to 80 centimeter. This large duffel bag can easily be expanded up to 72L. This variable capacity is either for different uses. A duffel bag with wet compartment. The divided and waterproof wet compartment is either for sweaty training gear or bathing utilities. And the gym bag with shoe compartment. A shoe compartment separates the shorts and the sports shoes from other items. The built-in ventilation holes ensures good ventilations. And it's good for yoga lovers. The gym bag is designed with a yogi storage. This is ideal yoga lover to make fitness. And hands-free design. We can attach this gym bag to our luggage to free our hands. So it's the best friend on travel on vacation, on sports, in the gym, if you go swimming, if you make yoga, if you make fitness, if you go hiking, if you play football, baseball, basketball, because every part in it can have a place on this or in and on this Tolaccea 54L up to 72L expandable gym bag for man and for woman, and of course for everyone else. It's possible on the market to get this in gray, blue, and black. This here is the gray designed bag, but you can also get it in other colors. But I like the gray one here, really nice. And no odor is if you remove the package. Really cool. That's a good bag for all kind of sports, gym, traveling, vacation, business trip, backpack, hiking, biking, and so on. This is the Tolaccea expandable gym bag. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun!